How to use YouTube's analytics to track your performance. To use YouTube's analytics to track your performance, follow these steps. Sign into your YouTube account and click on your channel's profile picture in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select YouTube Studio. Click on the Analytics tab on the left side of the screen. From the dashboard, you can see an overview of your channel's performance, including views, subscribers, and watch time. To view more detailed analytics, click on the specific metric you want to track, such as revenue or subscribers. Use the filters on the right side of the screen to customize the date range and view data for specific videos or playlists. Use the tabs at the top of the screen to view different types of analytics, such as demographics, retention, and traffic sources. Use the data provided to identify trends and make informed decisions about your content and marketing strategies. It's important to regularly track and analyze your performance to understand what is working and what areas need improvement. YouTube's analytics provide valuable insights and can help you optimize your content and grow your channel.